Hi guys, today I'm going to show you all my recent creation which I have made in less than 1 month back. Okay, let's start. First thing, I'll show you the small little hanging pouch which we used to carry, the earpods, stuff like that. It can be used as a bag accessories and also a pouch which you can use it to carry stuff. And this is a small kitty face hanging. Next thing is this beautiful rose keychain, and there is also one more design to it which doesn't require a keychain, but it comes with the hanging as it is in the crochet pattern. So they're both same size but different colors and same pattern. And in the same pattern, this is a different size one, like it's a smaller size. Pattern, everything is same. The size is smaller because the size of the yarn used for this one is fine compared to the previous one. I'll show you the difference. You can see side by side. See the white and pink. White is bigger and the pink one is smaller. So just which one you think it looks great, just let me know in the comments if you like. So this is the same another small version of rose which doesn't come with the keychain but hanging in the crochet itself, as it can be used as keychain and also as accessory. So this one is the beads bracelet which I have made recently. It's not a crochet project, but yeah, I made it because I thought it is cute. So what next? So this is a wallet, white color one, which I've already posted in my Instagram page recently. So I've also made two variants in this as well. So if you can see, the pattern and everything is measurement, everything is same. It's just the size of the yarn is different. So that one was a little thicker side. This is a fine yarn, so that's the difference. And this is a small piece of fabric which is made of crochet. We can use it as dishcloth or premium fabric that can use to clean your laptop or something. So this is the Prada inspired safety pins. I just made it for fun, and it really turned out pretty great, pretty dope. I like them. And what next? Yeah, this is my latest very cute creation, ladybug baby. How do you like it? Let me know in the comments. And what next? So here comes the clock clip which I made recently. It's actually pretty much oversaturated in all the pages I know. I just wanted to try it once, so I just made it in the bigger version of clock clip, flower clock clip crochet. And this is one of my latest creation, which is a beautiful floral basket where I put all my crochet needles, hooks and scissors, whatnot. So that is really beautiful. I like them. And this is my cute little trinket dish with, see, the daisy in the bottom. I personally really love this design, and it is very handy to store all my tiny stuffs, accessories I use. And this is last but not least my latest work in progress, which is a case for my earpods, which I already made half of it, but I'm still making the second half of it. So once I'm done with it, I'll do with the sewing and the gluing part, and I'll definitely show you here once I'm done with it how the outcome comes. I'm very excited for it. And yeah, yes, that's not the last, but here are some flowers. I just made some prototypes and I'm planning to use it in my future products. I have not decided yet, but they are just pretty cute as it is. As you can see, it's just beautiful cute flowers which turned out really good. I'll definitely use it somewhere in my next project.